Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn when we want to speak something, we want to speak that something will happen in future, I will do something in future, or somebody else will do something in future. But we think that it's not necessary to mention the subject, to mention the person who will do that. Or we think that the subject has no importance. If we do not mention the subject, that's okay. There will be no problem. So in this case, we speak future indefinite tense in passive voice. First of all, we speak the object, the thing that we are going to talk about. After that, we speak will be, and then third form of verb. Just understand the difference between active and passive sentence. That when we speak an active sentence in future indefinite tense, we use will and first form of verb. But when we speak the passive sentence, we speak will be, we add be after will, and then we speak the verb with its third form. Let's take an example. For example, your test will be taken after 2 days. These books will be sold very cheap. Your test is an object, will be taken. Who will take your test? I did not mention, or I do not need to mention, because I think that it's not necessary to mention the person, the examiner, who will take your test. Right? And in the other example, in the second example, the books is object that we are going to talk about, and will be, and then sold. Sold is the third form of verb. The main verb is sell, and sold is the third form. So first of all, I spoke the object, then will be, and after that I spoke the verb with its third form. Because I did not mention the subject, I think that I don't need to mention the subject, the people who will sell the books. I am just going to talk about the books. I think that that if I do not mention the subject, the person who I am talking to, like if I am talking to you, so you will easily understand what I want to say. So I don't need to mention the subject, the people who will sell the books very cheap. So in this way you can make more examples. Thank you so much for watching the video.